Selena Gomez is Instagram famous. With over 140 million followers, she has the attention of many. To put it into perspective, according to Google, she almost has the same amount of followers as the entire country of Russia. And when you have the most followers on Instagram, corporations will pay. According to reports, every time Gomez shares an Instagram post about Puma is worth almost $3.5 million. Wow, my Instagram posts are worth exactly $0.0. She poses wearing the shoes and whole Puma outfits. They are clearly marked as a paid partnership, but the pay is a little unbelievable. According to Allison Bringe, quote, "Some of Selena's posts equated to nearly $3.5 million in media impact value per post, whereas Puma's best performing one only reached $195K. Of course, Selena Gomez is generous, and the first shoe she created with Puma, the Phenom Luxe, quickly sold out, and the star donated $100,000 for Alliance for Lupus Research. I'd say this is a girl who really doesn't need Justin Bieber.